Apple released the Airpods, it basically freed us from the disadvantages we used to face while using earphones. The wires. നമ്മൾ ഈ വയർ ഇല്ലാത്ത എയർപോഡ്സ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴുള്ള അഡ്വാൻറ്റേജ് വി ഓൾ പ്രോബബ്ലി നോ ബൈ നൗ. അത് മാത്രമല്ല എയർപോഡ്സ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴുള്ള ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് അഡ്വാൻറ്റേജസിൻ്റെ കാര്യം പറയുവാണെങ്കിൽ യു കെൻ സ്റ്റിൽ യൂസ് വൺ പോഡ് ആൻഡ് listen to the rest of the environment, at the same time focus on what you're listening on the phone. So Airpods Pro has a lot of features compared to the earlier Airpods 2, and this is the latest release from Apple now. So nothing comes close to the accurate, natural quality of Pro's ambient mode. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഒരുപാട് other earbuds use ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, but when you use this you will understand the difference because ഒരുപാട് pressure നമ്മുടെ ഇയറിന് തരാത്ത soft cushioning ഉള്ള comfortable AirPods ആണ്. So you can actually listen to songs or watch a movie for longer durations compared to the earlier versions or compared to other brands. So when you talk about the battery life, the Airpods Pro has a better battery life compared to the earlier versions. This is fantastic. The battery size is quite big, and that is exactly the reason why the size is a little bigger than the initial version of the Airpods, which is Airpods 2. Adu matralla, another advantage is in a noise cancellation under. So even when you're in a place which is noisy, crowded, you can still use it without any kind of interruption from the outside world. Inside the Airpods Pro box, you can see a USB Type-C lightning cable. At the Kurade, inside the box, you can also get small and large-sized ear tips, where the medium size is inside the case, which we can use according to our comfort level. We can also test the ear tip size, okay, which is quite interesting. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ സൈസിനുള്ള ഇയർ ടിപ്പ് ആണോ ഇല്ലേന്ന് അറിയാൻ what you can do is just go to settings, Bluetooth, Airpod, ear tip fit test and click on to continue. So we'll see a play option there which shows hear a music, and after music if the screen shows good seal for both left and right ear, then you're all set. In case of the കാണിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ you can just choose another ear tip and that probably may be your right size. Anyway, ഇതിൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു വേർഷൻ ഇപ്പോൾ ഇറങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ട്, which is the Airpods 3, and we'll discuss more about it the next time.